notations and functions. Okay. See the next one. This is the capital A. Capital A is 1, 2, 3. It is a set. Next capital B is 4, 5, 6, 7 is another set. Now, what is the function? This function is from A to B. Okay. Now, what is the function related? 1, 4, the ordered pair. 2, 5, 3, 6. So, what is the meaning of this one? The image of 1 is 4. Next, the image of 2 is 5. The image of 3 is 6. Okay. Now we have to show f is 1, 1. Okay. Now see here. I am writing here. What is the given capital A? That is 1, 2, 3. And the capital B is 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I am taking what is the f also. Okay. The ordered pair is 1, 4. Next 2, 5. Next 3, 6. Now I am taking the mapping here. So it is the capital A. This is the capital B. Now here. In the capital A, which elements we have? That is 1, 2, 3. In the capital B, the elements are 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see here, I am writing mapping here. That is 1, 4. That is mapping from 1 to 4. So it is here 1 and the 4. 1 to 4. Next 2 to 5. Next 3 to 6. This is the mapping under the function f. Now see here, observe here. Now we have to prove it is 1, 1. Okay. So what is the 1, 1 definition? Different elements should have different images. So if you see here, 1, 2, 3. These are the different elements. The images of 1, 2, 3 are 4, 5, 6. These are also different. So different elements have different images. That's why it is 1, 1. See the next one. F from R to R defined by the function f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. Okay. Now this function we have to check it is 1, 1 on or bijective also. If the function is 1, 1 and on 2, then we can say automatically it is bijective. That's why first I am checking 1, 1. Okay. So already I given the condition for 1, 1. So x1 comma x2. Two variables I am taking or two values I am taking from the domain. What is the domain here? Real numbers. Two values I am taking from the real numbers. Now I am taking the condition. What is the condition is? Condition is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Okay. So when I am taking this condition, if the answer is x1 is equal to x2, then we can say it is 1. Now see here, what is the f of x? F of x is 3 minus 4x. Now what is the f of x1? That is 3 minus, just in place of x we have to write x1. That is 3 minus 4 in place of x is x1. Next, what is the f of x2? Just write down in place of x is x2. That is 3 minus 4x2. This is which one? F of x2. Now I am taking the condition f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So what is the f of x1 is? 3 minus 4x1. It is equal to, what is the f of x2 is? 3 minus 4x2. Now here 3 3 get cancelled. Next, remaining is minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2. Again, minus get cancelled. Remaining is 4x1 is equal to 4x2. 4 cancel. Finally, x1 is equal to x2. So what you got the answer? x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 function. Okay. Now see, what about the onto? I am checking onto here. Just take this function, that is as y. That is y equal to f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. Now take these two. That is y is equal to 3 minus 4x. So from this equation, we have to find x value in terms of y. Okay. Now send this y to this side, 4x to this side. This minus 4x will be plus 4x equal to 3. Say, send this 4y to this side. So it is plus y. So that is minus 1. So that is, what is the x value now? 3 minus y by 4. Now here, substitute x value in the f of x. If the answer is y, then we can say it is onto. Okay. Now, what is the f of x here? It is 3 minus 4x. Now substitute. F of, what is the x value now? 3 minus y by 4. It is equal to 3 minus 4 into 3 minus y by 4. Here 4 get cancelled. Now the remaining is 3 minus y. Next, 3 minus, multiply minus inside. So it is minus 3, minus into minus plus y. 3 get cancelled. What you got the answer is y. That means f of 3 minus y by 4 is equal to y. So answer you got y. So what you can add? Therefore, f is onto. Now see here. This function is 1 and it is onto also. So this is onto. Now what you can say? F is 1 and onto. Now what you can say? F is bijective. You can write f is bijective. See the next problem. F from R to R defined by f of x equal to 1 plus x square. Now we have to check it is 1 or not, onto or not, or bijective or not. Okay. Now see here. First I am checking it is 1. Okay. Now see here. Simple thing here. I am choosing values. I am going through the definition of 1. Okay. What is the given function is f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. Suppose x value I am taking minus 1. Then what is the f of x is? That is 1 plus minus 1 whole square. That is 1 plus minus 1 whole square means it is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Now x value I am taking plus 1. Now what is the f of x is equal to 1 plus 1 square. That is 1 plus 1, 2. Now see here, I am taking the mapping here. It is, what is the domain is real numbers. Codomain also real numbers under the function f. Now, this belongs to the x values domain. This belongs to the codomain f of x values. Now see here, x values I am taking minus 1, 1. Okay. Now, what is the f of x value? We got 2. So, what is the mapping we got? When you are taking x value minus 1, f of x value is 2. That is minus 1 to 2. When you are taking x value 1, f of x is 2. So, 1 to 2. See here, observe here. You are checking 1, 1. What is the 1, 1 definition? Different elements should have different images. But here, minus 1 and 1 have same image. That's why it is not 1, 1. Okay. Now check what about the onto. Now see, same I am choosing the values. X value I am taking minus 1. Then what is the f of x is 1 plus minus 1 whole square. 1 plus 1 is 2. Suppose x value I am taking minus 2. Now what is the f of x is 1 plus minus 2 whole square, that is 1 plus 4, it is 5. Next, suppose x value we take here so many values, and suppose x value I am taking 1 plus 1. F of x value is 1 plus 1 square, it is 2. Suppose x value I am taking 2. F of x is 1 plus 2 square, it is 5. Suppose I am taking x value 0 also. Then f of x is 1 plus 0 square, it is 1. Now I am taking the mapping here. Domain is real numbers and codomain also real numbers, both are same. That's why I am taking the same values in the both. So which values there is? Minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. Next 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that and so on. Here also 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. Next 1, 2, 3. Which you also got? 4, 5 and so on. Now see the mapping. When x value is minus 1, f of x is 2. So it is minus 1 to 2. Next, when x value is minus 2, then f of x value is 5. Next, when x value is 1, f of x is 2. When x value is 2, f of x is 5. Next, when x value is 0, f of x is 1. That is 0 to 1. Okay. If you observe here, in the second set, there is no mapping for the sum of the values, that is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. Actually, what is the onto condition? In the second set, every element should be in the mapping. But here, there is no mapping for minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. For the negative values, there is no mapping. That's why it is not on. So, it is not 1, 1 and not on. So, finally what you can say, it is not bijective also. It is not bijective. See the next follow. Let f from capital N to N. The function defined as when n value is odd number, then the function is n plus 1 by 2. When n value is even number, then the function is n by 2. Okay. Now this function, f of n function, we have to check it is bijective or not. To check bijective, first we have to check 1, 1 and odd. So that's why first I am writing 1, 1. See here, first I am choosing the values. Suppose n value is 1. Why I am taking from 1 only? Because the domain is natural numbers. The natural numbers start by 1. So n value 1. Now this one is even or odd. It is odd number. When n value is odd, then what is the function I have to take? N plus 1 by 2. That is f of n is n plus 1 by 2. That is f of 1 in place of n is 1. 1 plus 1 by 2. That is 2 by 2. That is 1. Okay. Next, suppose n value is 2. This is 2 is even number. When n value is even, then which function have to take? N by 2. That is f of n is n by 2. Okay. Now see, what is the n value now? 2. Substitute. F of 2 is equal to 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. See here, I am taking the mapping. It is natural numbers domain and codomain also natural numbers under the function f. Now these are the n values. These are the f of n values. Okay. Now what are the n values we have? N value is 1, 2. 1, 2. What is the result you got? 1. Now see here the mapping. When n value 1, f of n value is 1. So mapping is 1 to 1. Next, when n value is 2, f of n value is 1. See here, observe here. Two different elements have same image 1. What is our one condition? Different elements should have different images. But here, different elements have same image. That's why it is not 1. It is not 1. Now see, what about the R? For onto also, I am taking the values. Suppose n value is 1, say. So it is odd number. So which function I have to take? F of n is, when n is odd, that is n plus 1 by 2. So substitute f of 1, that is 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2, that is 1. Okay. Next, n value is 2. It is even. It is even number. So what is the f of n is? When n is even, that is n by 2. That is n by 2. Next, what is the f of 2 is? 2 by 2, that is 1. Next, suppose n equal to 3. It is odd number. When it is odd, then f of n is n plus 1 by 2. That is n value is 3. Substitute. 3 plus 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. Okay. Next, when n value is 4, it is even. What is the f of n is? N by 2. The function is n by 2. That is 4 by 2, that is 2. Okay. Now see the mapping here. Natural numbers and the function f. Now here, what are the n values? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here also, I am taking the natural numbers 1, 2, like that. You can take everything. Okay. Now see here, what is the mapping here? When you are taking n value 1, the mapping is 1. That is 1 to 1. Next, 2, n value 2, f of n is 1. That is 2 to 1. Next, if n value is 3, the mapping is 2. That is 3 to 2. Next, n value 4, f of n is 2. So 4 to 2. Like that. Suppose if you take n value is 5, maybe the mapping is 3. If you take 6 also, mapping is 3. Like that. That means if you observe here, in the second set, every element is in the mapping with elements of first set. That's why it is on. Now this function is on. Now see here, it is not 1 1, it is on. But it is not bijective, because it should be bijective means it should be 1 1 and on, but it is not 1 1. That's why it is not bijective. See the next one. Capital A is R minus 3, real numbers minus 3. Next, capital B equal to R minus set of 1. Now, we define some function f from capital A to B. How is the function? F of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Now, this function we have to check it is 1 1 or not, on to or not. Okay. Now, first I'm writing 1 1. Already I gave the condition. What I gave the condition is x1 comma x2 belongs to domain. What is the domain here? Capital E. Okay. Now which condition I have to take? F of x1 is equal to f of x2 I have to take condition. Now what is the f of x is here? F of x is x minus 2 by x minus 3. Okay. Now what is the f of x1? F of x1 is, just write down, in place of x is x1. x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3. Now what is the f of x2? That is x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. Okay. Now I have to take the condition. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is the f of x1 is? x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3 equal to, what is the f of x2 is? x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. Now cross multiply this one. That is x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3, it is equal to x1 minus 3 into x2 minus 2. Now multiply by x1, x1 into x2, x1 x2, next x1 into minus 3, minus 3x1, with x1 complete, next with minus 2, minus 2 into x2, minus 2x2, next minus 2 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 2 into 3, 6. It is equal to, now this one also, x1 into x2, x1 x2, next x1 into minus 2, minus 2x1, next minus 3 into x2, minus 3x2, minus 3 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 3 into 2, 6. Now on both sides, whatever cancellation comes, x1, x2, x1, x2, both will be cancelled. Next, 6 plus 6, both are cancelled. Now what is the remaining is minus 3x1 minus 2x2 is equal to minus 2x1 minus 3x2. Now we have to separate x1 terms to one side and x2 terms to another side. Okay. Now here already x1 is there. Send x1 to this side. That is minus 3x1. Send minus 2x1 to this side. It is plus 2x1. It is equal to, it is minus 3x2 is there. Now send minus 2x2 to this side. So it is minus will be plus 2x2. Okay. So minus 3x1 plus 2x1 minus x1 is equal to minus 3x2 plus 2x2 minus x2. Okay. So minus minus it cancel. Now remaining is x1 is equal to x2. When you are getting x1 is equal to x2, what you can say? F is 1 1 function. Next, we have to check on. Okay. Now I am taking the function as y equal to f of x equal to, what is the function is x minus 2 by x minus 3. Now take this, that is y is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Now from this expression we have to find x value in terms of y. Okay. Now cross multiply, that is y into x minus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Okay. Next, multiply y inside, that is yx minus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Okay. Now see here. Now see here, it is y into x, yx, and it is y into 3, 3y. Sorry. Now send this 3y to the side and x to this side. That is yx will be minus x is equal to, it is already minus 2. So it is minus 3y will be plus 3y. Okay. Now in this one I am taking x is common. So what is the remaining is y, and here it is minus same. In the x I am taking x is common, so it is 1. It is equal to 3y minus 2. Now what is the x value from this one? X equal to 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. This is the x value in terms of y. Now take the function. What is the function? F of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Now substitute in place of x is this value. If the answer is y, then you can say it is onto function. Okay. Now f of x value is 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. It is equal to, just write down in place of x is this entire term. That is 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 in place of x. Next minus 2 is there, minus 2 by again x, 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 minus 3. Okay. Now here I am taking the LCM here. Y minus 1 is LCM here. That is 3y minus 2 minus 2 into, multiply this y minus 1 by 4 by, again LCM here, y minus 1. Now here 3y minus 2 minus 3 into y minus 1. Now here y minus 1 get cancelled. Now what is the remaining here? That is 3y minus 2, multiply minus 2 inside, that is minus 2y, minus into minus plus 2 into 1, 2, whole divided by 3y is same. Next minus 2 same. Next multiply 3 inside, that is minus is there, minus 3y. Next minus into minus plus 3 into 1, 3. Now what are the cancellation terms here? Minus 2 plus 2 can cancel. Next 3y minus 3y both are cancelled. Now the remaining is 3y minus 2y, it is y by minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. So y by 1 is y. So you got the answer is y. Therefore, f is onto. When f is onto, then you can say it is biject. Because already it is 1 1. Already I told this one is 1 1. Now it is onto. When this function is both 1 1 and onto, then it is biject. See once again, onto. Take y equal to f of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Now take these two and equate them. From this expression, we have to find x value in terms of y. That is the value of this one. Now substitute this x value in the given f of x. So after substitution of this one, if we get the answer is y, then we can say it is on. Now you got it is on. Before that one already it is 1 1. So the function f is 1 1 onto. So it is biject.